we are. The new iPhone 16 Pro Max. Alright?
Yeah.
Wow. Nice. Can I move this fan? A little loud. Put it right there. Ooh, bird. Yeah, I definitely want to record in case you drop it and break it. I've seen videos of people doing it. Nice.
So big. There's the new button.
It's awful big. Can you carry that around in your pocket?
Yep.
Is the SIM card already in it?
Quite a bit longer.
That's the 13. Is it a Pro Max?
Mm-hmm.
It ain't that much bigger than that. So do you just turn that one off, or you got to do the transfer process too, don't you?
I'm not transferring.
You can do whatever you want.
Nice.
You want to make a few videos of that?